after pony.
I'm the boogeyman.
Victoria!
Victoria. Getting this. Where are we running to? If it wasn't for you tripping over the air conditioner, we would have been.
No, that was you.
That was you.
I call 911 right now.
All over.
All my dreams are fantasies, and I search for my consciousness in the rose garden. I found you in the rose garden.
Alright, okay, I'll find him. Bye.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't have his number.
Maybe he went walking around somewhere. Is that Bobby right there?
Where?
Looking at the.
Yeah. Black shirt on.
Bobby's always wearing black.
Yeah, I used to have one of those.
There they are. This is 76. I told you I'm up by the street, did I not? What's up, Pablo? Hey, Kenny. It's been about
Your
20
nephew?
years. It's my nephew's Matt, yeah.
Yeah, he was at the. I met
saw
the
the
thing
green
in
bases,
January. I saw him at the thing in January. You had him
Where's
with.
Pennant? I don't know, I was walking over here.
That's what you said. I'm coming in by the
I
cars.
don't know where
You're
the fuck
talking.
I am.
Yeah, you said, that's why I'm asking by the cars.
Yeah, I missed my bed.
You can win one for $20. Gotta spend some money.
Yeah.
And I fitted up the whole gas tank filler bit. Yeah. You know, with that gas tube. Oh, okay. Like, right in the gasoline switch, the upper switch. So it's all set up. All I gotta do is
Tell the old man to turn on his phone and call George about his dog, Mrs. Grogan said.
Tell him to call George about his dog.
Yeah.
These old Coke machine things are cool. Or these old,
These are gas pumps.
the old gas pumps.
Yeah.
It's very cool. Very cool old gas pumps. You wanna go in there in the shade?
Yeah, we'll go in here. Wheels. Dollies for $100.
Is that good or bad?
It's good because to buy them they're about $100, almost $200.
Sky lanterns. Check out these antique newspapers. Antique newspaper. Got a bunch of fans and stuff in here, that's why it feels nice. Like the movie Rubber. License plate said evil.
How much? 20.
Bunch of cool signs. Said a bunch of cool signs.
Yeah.
And an indoor place. It's nice, cool, and air conditioned in here. It's really nice.
Smoking the Bandit stuff.
Smokey and the Bandit poster. Look at all those little cars. Smaller than my pinky fingernail. Check out this VHS.
I got that poster still.
Let's see, we get an action figure crash dummy with a VHS tape. Check out that movie. Very interesting. Check out vinyl records. Grease. Van Halen. Crocus. Greg's. Evil Knievel. The Pink Panther. Hey Dad, did you see these Blues Brothers things?
Mexico tow truck that was a Danbury, and it's got these little oil cans and all of the barrels and stuff like that. So I mean, I was
8 tracks.
Here.
That's cool. That was cool.
Yeah, those are good ones.
red pedal car.
I don't know. They ask me $100 a quarter piece, give me $100 for each one, whatever, you know.
Yeah, that's no big deal. I have to.
Yeah, but Jason has 80.
lost you. I said, where does this guy go?
We were here waiting, and then we decided to walk around through the office.
Remember I said we'd be right down that hallway. Sure.
Oh, we didn't go that way.
Oh, yeah. We didn't go. See what he does to me?
We went that way. We didn't find it.
Tom couldn't find us. Tom Luchos went home or something. Want some suntan, boys?
Nah.
We're fine. I'm fine. I could sustain
I
the
got my
heat.
Impala right there, Bob.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. How much?
Sell this and go by there.
Yeah, I'm right. If I had money like Bob Peotone,
Oh,
I used to tell him that years ago.
You'd be nowhere.
If I had money, I'd be going to buy that the Lincoln over there
I
for
used to tell him,
3,400.
all the time, Kenny.
That big boat Lincoln.
Yeah.
I overslept this morning, Bob. I got dressed in 5 minutes and left. I'm pissed, man.
That's the way to
I
do
got up
it.
at 2. I set my alarm for PM. Wasn't for kids. These phones going to
You
work.
got a good spot.
Yeah, but
Nice truck here. There was $5,000.
it's good price. Then nobody just sells the wagon.
I didn't see that one. I didn't go down there. We went back down.
But that was anything affordable here? $2,000 or $3,000 car?
3,400 for the old 79 Lincoln. 4-door. Beautiful, right over there. That's my camera. $200 for it. Jeez.
Bob, you got 20 grand?
Yeah. I got 20 cents.
Look at this. This is my car, man. This is what I want.
Well, the price just went up on yours to 19,000.
I'm waiting for that. Believe me.
Oh, you're settled? Did you ever get a settlement?
I went for a deposition right here, but once I get settled, if I had settled, you'd be driving this motherfucker. I'd say I don't want to not leave my car in the show. Fine.
Yeah.
This
No.
one,
Pearl white.
yes, bro. This is a beautiful car, man. I said, I was telling him, I'm buying this car for him. I'm being honest. This is the year I want, man.
Get his number. Call your lawyer.
I'm real. Hey, Bob, are you going to pop these off with your fingers? I'm going to have to get a screwdriver. I get a screwdriver. I'm going to put it back in the bag. Shit, right? Hold on.
I wouldn't use a screwdriver. You might spread.
Hold on.
Here, punch it out from this side, Bob. You gotta.
What? Did you get it?
You gotta use a wood or something.
Hold on.
I'm not that strong.
You suck. Let me not strong. Why did you put the screwdriver here? Came right off, right? Wasn't hard to cut off, was it? No. It was supposed to go on tight, but I would have popped right off.
Oh, I know that.
You need a screwdriver. See, I would put it back in here where it belongs, man. Oh, right by Atlanta. Atlanta's right over there. It's a deal of cars, but.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
$1.7 grand for it. 5 would be interesting, you know? Yeah. It's worth it if you're right. The only problem is, like you said, you want the cover. Yeah, I don't know.
You ever get the Hemmings?
No.
You get the Mopar last year in June and July. You should see the 5s in there. They could keep these Chevys. They're nuts with their prices. Nuts at their goddamn Chevys and Fords.
They
They're crazy.
got no front end.
I know it's clean. And it's a two-door. You know, they got some of them goddamn Chevys there for $27,000. I wouldn't give you 7 for some of them. They all these got their big goddamn engines in it. I think Chevys and Fords are a rip-off
That
myself.
looks $32,000 for a.
I know, they're fucking crazy.
It's right over there. 60,
They are.
67.
They're nuts.
I know.
They are.
They're fucking crazy. These people are nuts as the people that are selling them.
I wouldn't want to meet the guy who buys it.
It's nice
This,
to have
you know
money.
what? I'm not saying this ain't my car, but this is the best buy right here.
They got I like that.
It's in very good shape,
99
so.
Lincoln town car.
Yeah.
3,400.
Paint's real spotless.
I'll tell you what, if this guy wanted to negotiate on this car, I'd buy it today.
Which one is Chrysler? Oh, 2,500. We'll take it home.
Hey, two-door? You don't see no two-doors.
No, it's a Newport.
Only thing is 400 engine is a gas burner.
Yeah.
But it's
Same
a
with
clean
that.
car, though.
Same with that Lincoln.
Hey, get some of these goddamn
I know.
Chevys with the 2.4 barrels on them. That thing burned gas. You could sell that engine to somebody that wants it.
Right, exactly.
Put a little one in there.
Right.
You'd have a beautiful car.
It's a good car for $3 grand or best.
Damn right it is. I'm gonna see what wants to do with it.
I don't blame you. That's the best car.
Maybe next year.
Two-door. You don't see no two-door Newports.
See that wagon over there? That Chevy 2, the guy just bought it for $7 grand. They want you to put cash.
Hey, Bobby, why don't you use that car right there as your means of transportation?
No. My car will be out here, guys. My 69 Nova in the garage? Yeah, sorry. I'll be honest with you, I'll have a car out there one day again. I had my 68 black Ron that went in there. I had my light blue Nova. Didn't went in here. But I will get one. I think it's out there. I didn't finish mine, but I will get it.
I need a 65 Sport convertible, blue and white interior.
I like that too.
Well, for $500, it was like brand new.
This is all in Impala too. 60, that's a nice shirt.
Hey man, the Jeep is a little winter.
55 Chevy bar right here, guys. They're real nice.
Where is it at?
What?
Where is it at?
Over here. I'm all over. Are you sold, Mr. Grover?
That's it, right? That was like a real deal? What year Impala?
I made money on it, right?
He said, what's your best? I said, that is right there. Bobby, what year Impala?
Spell.
About
66.
Trade for 58 Chevy. He says, no. I said, okay, I got your number. If you don't sell it, I'll call you later on when I come in. Say, what's your bottom on it? Bottom dollar on it. First go there.
Oh, are those ones you're talking about, Bob? Those?
Yeah, I guess I'll have to buy them since he didn't sell them. There you go.